Greetings everyone. Welcome to another episode of Earn Genius, the program dedicated to helping you generate passive income, so that you can live the lifestyle abundance that you deserve. My name is Paulo Talo, and today's episode, I'm going to show you how to register for the program called Doubleway. With no further ado, let's begin. On your cell phone, go to the App Store. If you are on Android, it's called the Play Store. And if you're on an iPhone, it's called the Apple Store. Search for the app called Trust Wallet, and download it. Once it's done downloading, open the app. Now, you need to create a new wallet. To do so, you'll need to click on the Create New Wallet bottom. Warning. On the next page, you will see 12 words that you must keep secure in a safe location. If you lose them, you would not be able to access your money. If you've understood this, take on a small square at the bottom of the left corner of the page to confirm that you've understood. Next, you'll get the 12 secret words that is your recovery phrase. I advise you to take a picture of the page and keep it or write them down in the same order, in a safe location. Then, you will be asked to enter each of the words in the same order you've got them. If you make a mistake, the application will allow you to correct it. Click on the wrong word to delete it and continue. Congratulations! Your portfolios is now created. Next, copy your Ethereum address by clicking on the last button on the right, labeled Copy. You will need it for the next step. To cover the 0.08 Ethereum investment required and the fees of the system, I recommend you to transfer 0.09 Ethereum to your Trust wallet. Use your Ethereum address, that you just copied, to receive the fund in your wallet. When done, click on the tab named Dapps at the bottom of the page. Next, in the address bar, paste the address link of your sponsor. This would take you to the Doubleway login page. When the page is uploaded, you should see the Ethereum address of your sponsor. To confirm that you are on the right path, click on the man icon with the plus sign in the top left corner of the page to log in. On the next page, click at the bottom of the page, on the green button, Sign Up with one click. Once you click on the green button, you are directed to the automated payment page. On the next page, approve the payment and wait until the amount is sent. You will see a confirmation that the transaction has been sent to your sponsor. The system will take you directly to your back office. Check if you see your ID number and the box of your level 1, 0.08 ETH, has turned green. Congrats, you have reached the level 1 of the program. Well done. Copy your affiliate link and make a note of it for your future team building activities. Now, you're officially in business. Let's get this money. If you do not have an affiliate, use my affiliate link in the description to register to the program. If you liked the video, encourage us by clicking the like button, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be informed of all the new upload. Once again, thank you for watching.